one hand right there. You're gonna need all hands to get in here.
Wait, hold on.
Before you fall and hurt yourself.
All right, turn it this way. Turn it right here, right here.
Uh-huh.
Oh! Dang! Smells like a big old cigarette in here.
Yeah, man. Here.
Let me see. Let me see. Your name is on there? Alright. Oh my god. This place is oh my god. Etienne.
Ma.
This place is a mess. This is healthy. You got lights in here?
I got a couple.
Turn the light on. Let's see. Look, you lost a little weight. You look like it, but I don't know if that's true.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah, man.
It's your bed.
It's the bed.
Oh.
The drawers.
Look like a big, smells like a cigarette. What's that? Oh, you got wipes?
I got some white.
What's this?
That's not mine. I just know how the person before me had some seasoning.
Ew, Etienne. Ew, you can't get a vacuum?
I gotta get one. Ain't nothing in here.
Ruffles potato chips.
Ruffles. I got some chocolate and stuff. Got some socks. What are you doing? Can you close the door?
Oh, yeah.
Close the door.
Oh, sorry, baby. Oh, this is a nice little truck. Oh.
Yeah, man.
How do I turn this back around? This thing. How you turn this back around?
I don't know. Press that button.
That one here?
I don't know.
That's the off button. No, never mind. I'll do it like this. It's my baby truck.
Oh my god.
Oh! Don't worry about it. It's good. It's a nice little truck. It's filthy, but it's nice. Okay.
Ain't nobody looking at you. I'm trying to figure out how to turn this around.
Just press the red X.
Oh.
I'm done.